is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted files on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Accidentally losing files on your Mac can be stressful, whether it's a deleted presentation, family photos, or important documents. Recovering deleted files on a Mac may seem like a daunting task. Fortunately, macOS offers data recovery opportunities and numerous smart workflows are available to retrieve lost Mac data quickly. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So I will show you first. I will delete files. I think I will delete this document from my MacBook, and I want to put it back to this document on my Finder. How? You can open your trash and here on the dock on the bottom right. You can click on trash, and you can search for the file that you just deleted and you want to recover. Okay, this one. You can just click on that. You can click. You can click right, or you can just tap on the three dots over here. There is an option put back. You can just click on that. So you'll find the file will be back or recovered to this to your Finder. It's very simple, right? Also, like for photos or videos, you can do the same thing. So that is how to recover deleted files on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.